Hello, dear friends. This is Jeannie from Dollhouse Rescue and All Things Miniature. Welcome back to my workshop. I've got some boxes to open today, and I've got Grandma here watching me, helping me out. I've got these three, and then I've got a bigger box. I am really excited about all of these boxes, and I can't wait to open them, see what's in them, and share them with you. Box number one, I am pretty sure I got this on eBay. I think all of my things today either came from eBay or I think one of them came from Facebook Marketplace. So as I open them, I believe the first three are going to be eBay and then Facebook Marketplace. But as we open them, I'll just make sure because, I might be wrong. I might have got my boxes mixed up. Let's see. This should be an eBay box. And I would say from the size that would make sense. Got a nice little invoice in there. Nicely packed. I always appreciate that, especially from an eBay seller who may or may not be familiar with some of these collectibles and how fragile they are. Wow, this is really cute. I thought it was really cute in the picture, and I can tell I'm going to love it. What do you think it is? Any guesses? You probably can't see well enough yet to tell, can you? All right, I'm going to open them up, set them up here so you can see them real good. There it is, dear friends. Isn't that just cute? I am in love with this. Look at the detail. Now, these appear to be plastic. I don't know if they were probably a kit and assembled by somebody and then painted, but I love the color. I love the style. I thought I might put it in Grandma's house, and I am going to try it in there. Might be a little bit big for Grandma. I don't know. It's not. Yeah, it's a little big. We might try it in her house. Otherwise, I've got bigger houses that they can go in. I am in love with it. This is like one of those little dry sinks. My grandma's house had something similar, only she had a little hand pump right here. And then this was a sink that you could pump water into. And it's got a little towel over here. Anyway, it's really cute. I love it. Let's go to package number two. Okay, we're going to do package number two. I have already put that table and chairs up here in Grandma's house. It's a little big, not too bad. I'm going to hold off on the dry sink because it did take up too much room in that kitchen. But the table and chairs are looking really good. I'll leave them there for a while at least. Okay, let's check out this package. This is another eBay package. Ooh, what do you think it is? It's another one that seems to be well wrapped. Let me get everything unwrapped and set it out here so you can see it. All right, this is the bigger furniture. This stuff I would say is the 1/16 scale, which is the bigger scale, probably too big for Grandma's house. But as I've said, I do have some other bigger houses. There's another chair. So I've got bedroom, kitchen stuff, living room stuff, cute watering can. This I think was a swimming pool. I think like everything, almost everything is marked marks on it. Almost everything. Not this little light. Isn't that cute? I'm not sure who made that. And it just almost looks like it would work, but I don't see a battery or a bulb. But isn't it cute? Very cute stuff. There's a few other small pieces I'm going to get out and show you. Make sure you can look at this stuff. Back here I've got the baby stuff, crib, dresser, little slide. Okay, let's get the smaller stuff out. Here are other smaller items right here. There's this little circular table. Sometimes you see that in the patio or maybe in the rumpus room maybe. There's a baby scale here. This does not go in the Babyland nursery. I think it's the Ideal. It goes in the Ideal nursery, but very cute. It came with two babies. There's one there and one there. A small round red table. Now this I think is a sandbox, and the way you can tell is there's holes here, and I think that holds a little bracket, and then over the top there was like a little sun awning over the top, which must have been like made out of paper or something, because I don't know if I've ever seen one in real life, but I've seen pictures of that from original ads. So a very nice lot of furniture. Let's see what's in this little bit bigger box back here. I can't tell you how much I've been looking forward to getting this box. I think it's going to be in pretty nice condition. I think it's a very cute item that I've been wanting for a while. Let's just see how it looks. And very nicely packed. Thank you, eBay seller. Thank you very much for helping to get this to me safely. Isn't that just the cutest? It's a little log cabin, like like a little cabin. And look at the little porch on the front. Now, some of you know I'm pretty involved in Girl Scouts, and I like to go to Girl Scout camp. And we often sleep in little cabins similar to this. So I think I'm going to decorate this up and maybe put some little girls in there like Girl Scout camp. Look, it's got little bear skin rug on the floor. Now, I think this is also, I think it's Mark's. Yeah. And I think they made a couple of different little log cabin type cabins. This is one style. There's another very similar one that does not have the porch on the front. I've been keeping my eye on these for a while. Finally saw one where the price is right, and I could not resist. Look, Grandma's going to visit it. She's a little tall to go through the door, but if she's around this side, she's just right for being there with some Girl Scouts. Very cute. I am in love with it. All right, here is the biggest box. Now this one, I mean, if you think I was looking forward to getting that log cabin, you do not know how much I was looking forward to getting this box. First, let me tell you the story about this. This is something I've been wanting for quite a while in Dollhouse land. However, it's very rare and hard to find. They're often pretty expensive, more than I like to spend. But we, in our Facebook group, there's on Wednesdays, you're free or welcome to put out there something you wish you had. And I recently listed that I wished I had one of these. And within a day or two, somebody saw one on Facebook Marketplace, sent me a message to alert me. I put in an offer and it was accepted, and I had to count the days until it came in the mail. Finally, here it is. So I just want to let you know that's what networking with your Dollhouse group can do for you. We look out for each other. I was afraid to even tell anybody about this. I was afraid to jinx it. I was afraid the deal would fall through and I wouldn't end up with it. But sure enough, it showed up in the mail. It's got plenty of wrapping. Oh, I'm so excited. What do you think it is? Look, it's a little red schoolhouse. Now, this was made by Marks, I think in the 1950s. They're pretty rare, hard to come by. This one's in nice shape. It needs some cleaning. It's got just a little bit of rust, nothing bad at all. You know me, I don't mind that. Isn't it cute? Look at the beautiful graphics in there. I am beyond thrilled. The dear lady I got this from said this had been her grandmother's, and her grandma used to let them play with it when they'd come over. And I assured her that I will let my grandchildren play with it also. It originally came with little school desks and little school children. Well, she doesn't have those anymore. She said if she ever comes across them, she'll let me know. But I do have some of those pieces that I'll be getting out and putting in there. Now, when this was new, it had a little cupola on here, a little red one with a bell, a little bell tower. And that's often gone, and in this case it is lost. But you know, I thought that would be so cute to have one. Knowing this was coming, I found a picture of one on the internet, and I have fabricated a little bell tower for me. So this is the first that I'm getting to see these together. I just finished this like earlier today. I made this from a picture of an original bell tower. It's got a little bell in there, although it's actually just a picture of a bell. If you turn it around, you'd see that bell's like flat, but it is printed on the back too. Someday, maybe at Christmas time, I'll find a bell the right size and put it in there. But this is made out of paper and foam core board, and then I painted it, and this little top is made out of paper also. This weather vane, you can buy these on Etsy from Bill Young's Etsy shop, and I'll put the name of his shop on here. They're very reasonable. They are 3D printed from an original, and when you get them from Bill, they're white. But I painted it red, which is what the color should be, which I have seen in the picture. This is a little tab to help hold it on the roof. I'm just going to put that back for now. Look at though how cute that looks. Grandma is ready to help teach school. I am in love. I think I'm going to give this a quick cleanup. I'm not going to do a lot with it. I'm going to give it a quick cleanup, put the furniture in it, and then share a picture of that with you before I call this quits. So stay tuned for that picture with the little desks in there. And also remember, you've always got a friend here in Iowa and a lot of friends in our Facebook groups. So I hope you would join us, and please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it very much.